Would you believe a $25 gift card turned into $1,200 cash? In this USA Focus guide, I will show you the exact steps I used and how you can do the same. I started by using the gift card to buy clearance items online, electronics, trending accessories, anything priced below market value. Then I listed those items on resale platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Mercari. My first flip turned $25 into $60 cash. Every profit went straight back into reinvestment. I scaled from single flips to small bulk purchases, multiplying my returns. I diversified too, using profits to buy digital assets like domain names and templates, which sold for even higher margins. After 3 months of repeating this cycle, my $25 gift card had grown into $1,200. The formula is simple. Start small, reinvest consistently, and use multiple resale channels.